Micro-linear servo actuator integrates hollow cup motor, reducer gearbox, lead screw, sensors, and servo driver. It achieves integrated drive and control while ensuring a more compact size, featuring technical advantages such as small volume, high precision, and large load capacity. Micro-linear servo actuator can achieve servo control at any position, including position, speed, force, and mixed force position control. Since the micro-linear servo actuator debut in 2016, it has been widely applied in fields such as robotics, new energy, 3C electronics, semiconductors, and biomedical industries. The micro-linear servo actuator now offers 5 series to meet the needs of various industries. LA and LAS series are suitable for a wide range, requiring precise control and compact installation dimensions. LAF and LASF series are suitable for scenarios requiring precise force control and real-time force feedback. The BLA series actuator, with its high precision and large load advantages, has been mass applied in the intelligent upgrades of new energy battery production equipment and are widely suitable for fields such as 3C electronics and semiconductors.